What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're gonna be talking about an app that actually pays you to walk, or so it says. And so we're gonna be going over whether or not you can actually get paid to walk, and if you can, how much you can actually get paid. And we're gonna really talk about whether or not it's actually worth it to do, or if it's just gonna be a waste of your time. But before we actually get started, a big shout out to my good friend Ryan Scribner, who actually introduced me to Sweatcoin with one of the videos that he shot. So make sure you check out his channel, and let's get into it. All right, guys, so we are going to start walking out here in beautiful Las Vegas to try to figure out whether or not we can actually make money using Sweatcoin. And then we're also gonna talk about how Sweatcoin actually makes money, because I know it probably seems pretty weird that an app would actually just pay you to walk, since we're all already walking anyways. And so we are going to actually get started and see what we can actually do. Alright guys, so we have been walking for a little bit now. You can see that this pretty crazy app right here with like all of the like insane mountains and things like that shows actively how many steps we're taking, even though like 2 of my steps actually is like one of their steps. But we have earned $1.88 of Sweatcoins, right? Not to be confused with $1.88, because Sweatcoins are not worth $1. We're gonna talk about that in a second, but we've taken about 2,785 steps so far, and we've earned almost 2 Sweatcoins so far in the day. Oh, 3 Sweatcoins, 2,975 steps. Boy's pretty exhausted at this point. It's reminding me I should probably get into the gym and do some more cardio. Sweatcoin is helping me remember that I'm very out of shape. Sweatcoins, need more Sweatcoins. All right guys, we're back home. Sweatcoinification is complete for the day. So we're gonna figure out how many freaking Sweatcoins we earned in day 1. And then we're gonna actually keep getting our Sweatcoin on for the rest of the week and see how many total Sweatcoins we can actually accumulate in our Sweatcoin wallet so we can be Sweatcoin filthy rich. Hey, what's up, man? I was just wondering, do you guys take Sweatcoin? I actually don't have any cash on me.
Sweatcoin?
Yeah. They literally don't even sell anything. It's the front desk. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. All right, guys, so it's officially now been over a week of my full-time job of walking, and let's actually check out exactly how much I've made walking my little butt off. But before we actually do get into that, let's see a little bit more of how Sweatcoin works and what you can actually do with Sweatcoins and just how much a Sweatcoin is actually worth. And so if you don't know by now, Sweatcoin basically pays you to actually just walk. But one of the annoying things about Sweatcoin is you can't really just cash out your Sweatcoins for cold hard cash, at least not exactly. The only way you can actually cash out into cold hard cash is once you reach $1,000 worth of Sweatcoins, which we're gonna talk about in a second, would be pretty hard to actually do. And if you're using Sweatcoin, you'll probably notice that you do have the ability to earn bonus Sweatcoins by actually watching advertisements inside of the app. And then when you go to actually cash out your Sweatcoins, you'll see that there's a lot of, random little products and free trials for products and services and things like that inside of your Sweatcoin app that you can actually exchange Sweatcoins for at a more reasonable valuation. And so now that you actually know how Sweatcoin works and what you actually have to do to cash out your Sweatcoins to get cold hard cash, let's see how much we've actually made after taking tens of thousands of steps with the Sweatcoin app. How much moolah have we actually accumulated? So as you can see right here, we have earned 57 Sweatcoins. As you can see right here, we can get 2 free months of Audible, which is Amazon's audiobook service, plus a $5 Amazon gift card for about 3 Sweatcoins. We can also get a $36 off coupon to the Home Chef, as well as a few other similar trials from similar companies. And if you're still wondering to yourself, but Kevin, how does Sweatcoin actually work? How are they making money by paying you to walk, which everyone's already doing anyways? Well, the way that they're making money is similar to how a lot of apps make money, like Honey, for example. If you've ever used that Chrome extension that actually allows you to save money via coupons, you might think to yourself, Kevin, how the heck is Honey making money? Well, Honey makes money because they have all of the discount codes in their database, and then the companies pay them a percentage of those discount codes, which incentivize you to use other, product and services, right? Because if you have a coupon, you're much more likely to buy, and if you use a coupon from Honey, Honey makes 1 or 2% of that coupon differential paid by the business or company itself that you're purchasing from. Sweatcoin is very similar. Sweatcoin has a lot of attention, it has a lot of people using the app, and that is valuable. That means that Sweatcoin is being paid by these companies like Home Chef and like Audible and like Amazon for actually getting new users to sign up for these services, right? So every time somebody actually signs up for Audible via the Sweatcoin app, Audible is actually paying Sweatcoin basically an affiliate percentage to actually bring that new customer into the overall Audible ecosystem by means of the Sweatcoin app, right? And so Sweatcoin, it's not a big deal for them to pay you to walk because they're making significantly more money from that every time you cash out those Sweatcoins into those affiliate marketing offers. You can also use your Sweatcoins and just donate them to charity, which is obviously a really good offer, just giving back to people who actually need it. If you're walking anyways, you might as well just accumulate those Sweatcoins and donate them to a charity to help people in need. And as you can see right here, the bucket list section is where kind of all of the good stuff actually is. We're not talking about free trials to Audible. We're talking about things like $1,000 in cold hard cash. And as you can see, everything inside of the bucket list section seems to range from about 10,000 to 20,000 Sweatcoins to actually be able to get anything inside of this section. And so that begs the question of how much is a Sweatcoin actually worth in real money? And so before we actually get into exactly how much a Sweatcoin is worth in money, I do want to do a fun giveaway of my new book where I'm going to pay for the book and I'm also going to pay for the shipping to send it to you at your house completely for free. So if you want a copy of my brand new awesome book called Unfair Advantage that goes over how companies like Airbnb and how companies like Uber have such massive growth while so many other companies struggle, right? The Unfair Advantage is about how the internet can make anyone anywhere into a millionaire. And this is everything that I've learned going from an accountant to the point where I'm at now, where I can really do the things that I want to do, and I really am happy with how everything in my life has gone. So if you want your own copy, to enter, all you have to do is comment down below something funny, something awesome. I'm going to pick 3 comments from down below on this video, and I'm going to send you this book completely for free. I'm going to pay for the shipping as well. I'm going to pay for everything straight to your door. We're going to pick 3 people who comment below. So comment down below right now something awesome, your favorite joke, a cool experience that you've had with my YouTube or me or anything in general, and we want to send you this book completely for free, Unfair Advantage. And so if you do some basic math, you can see that $1,000 in cold hard cash costs about 20,000 Sweatcoins. And so if you divide $1,000 by 20,000 Sweatcoins, you can see that each Sweatcoin is worth about 5 cents. And that means that if you walk more than 99.9% of the entire world every single day, the maximum you can earn is about 25 to 50 cents. And so if you actually did want to try to claim that $1,000 prize, it would probably take you years and years to be able to do that, even if you were walking like an absolute machine. And so overall, is Sweatcoin a pretty cool option? Yeah, if you want to earn, free trials and things like that with some of their advertising partners, it's a good way and a gimmicky way to get paid a small amount just to walk, which we'd already be doing anyways. And so is Sweatcoin a fun option? Yeah, for sure. Is it going to replace any sort of full-time income? Absolutely not. And so if you guys want to learn more about how to make a full-time income on the internet, check out this video right here where we teach you how to make over $250 per day, literally just to copy and paste. And I know that sounds too good to be true, but I'll prove it to you. Promise you'll like it. See you there. And you can literally see right here, sites that pay you 150 per post, 220 per post, and you don't have to do any of it yourself. Literally,